Bullish 1-inch value forecast is 81 cents to $2.03. 1-inch organization cost could likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish 1-inch cost expectation for 2022 is 52 cents. In 1-inch organization cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data around 1-inch to break down the future development of the digital money. 1-inch organization current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of 1-inch organization is 60 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,948,435 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, 1-inch has diminished by almost 1.2% as of now. Besides, 1-inch organization has a flowing stockpile of 621,438,024 1-inch. Presently, 1-inch organization exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, OKX, Upbit, LBank, Bitrue, and FTX. What is 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization is the administration badge of 1-inch organization stage. 1-inch organization is a decentralized trade aggregator. The local token was sent off as an ERC20 token on the 25th of December 2020 and keeps on existing as a multi-chain token. 1-inch has three essential capabilities in DEFI: collection convention, liquidity convention, and breaking point request convention. It is live on major blockchains, for example, Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Savvy Chain, Torrential Slide, Confidence, and Phantom. 1-inch organization value expectation 2022. A flat channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of something like 4 agreement focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs no less than 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Level channels give a reasonable and deliberate method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. The more drawn out the level channel, the more grounded the leave development will be. There is oftentimes a cost on the channel after exit. The exit frequently happens at the 4th contact point on one of the flat channel's lines. Right now, 1-inch organization is in the scope of 60 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of 1-inch could arrive at the opposition levels of 64 cents and 74 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of 1-inch may tumble to 58 cents and 54 cents. 1-inch organization backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of 1-inch organization. The diagrams show that 1-inch organization has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, 1-inch could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $2.03. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of 1-inch organization could plunge to nearly 52 cents, a negative sign. 1-inch organization value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of 1-inch organization is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of 1-inch lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of 1-inch organization is displayed in the outline above. Outstandingly, the 1-inch organization cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upturn. At present, 1-inch has entered a bullish state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of 1-inch whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the 1-inch is 58.61. This implies that 1-inch organization is in neither oversold nor overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of 1-inch may happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. 1-inch organization value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of 1-inch organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of 1-inch organization. At present, the ADX of 1-inch lies in the scope of 15.430 and subsequently, it demonstrates areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of 1-inch organization. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of 1-inch lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of 1-inch organization is at 58.61 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of 1-inch with BTC, ATH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 1-inch organization. From the above diagram, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and 1-inch are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and 1 and CH additionally increment or reduction separately. 1-inch organization value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, 1-inch organization could most likely achieve $9 by 2023. 1-inch organization value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, 1-inch organization could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, 1 and CH could mobilize to hit $12 by 2024. 1-inch organization value forecast 2025. On the off chance that 1-inch organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, 1 and CH would revitalize to hit $18. 1-inch organization value forecast 2026. If 1-inch organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, 1 and CH would mobilize to hit $21. 1-inch organization value expectation 2027. In the event that 1-inch organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, 1 and CH would energize to hit $24. 1-inch organization value forecast 2028. If 1-inch organization holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, 1 and CH would hit $27 in 2028. 1-inch organization value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on 1-inch organization, it would observe significant spikes. 1 and CH could hit $30 by 2029. 1-inch organization value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the 1-inch organization biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into 1 and CH for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, 1-inch organization could hit $33 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the 1-inch organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for 1 and CH. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of 1-inch organization in 2022 is $2.03. Then again, the negative value expectation of 1-inch organization cost expectation for 2022 is 52 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the 1-inch organization biological system, the exhibition of 1 and CH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $8.65 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $5 assuming that the financial backers accept that 1 and CH is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization is the administration and utility badge of the 1-inch organization stage, a DEX aggregator. 1 and CH was sent off on December 25, 2020. 2. Where could you at any point buy 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Upbit, LBank, Bitrue and FTX. 3.